Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk to you about something that is going to revolutionize the way you take care of your plants. Soil moisture sensor irrigation. Not only does it take the guesswork out of watering your plants, but it can also save your time, money and water. With this little device, you can accurately measure the water content in your soil and ensure that your plants are getting just the right amount of water they need to thrive. It's like having your own personal plant assistant. But what really set out moisture sensor irrigation apart is its ability to be integrated with the irrigation system. That means you can automate your watering schedule and save your the hustle of constantly checking your plants. Plus, with the added bonus of saving water, it's an environmental friendly option. So, if you want a garden that's healthy and thriving without all the hustle and guesswork, invest in soil moisture sensor irrigation. Trust me, your plants will thank you. And if you want to learn more about this amazing technology, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more generated tips and tricks. Thank you.